Hey science fans! I'm Ryan from the Saskatchewan Science Center, and I'm here with some science at home activities. Today, we're going to explore the science of polymers, and I'm going to show you a couple of cool things that you can do to amaze your friends and family. Both balloons and kitchen baggies are made out of materials called polymers. Polymers are made out of long, repeating chains of molecules. The properties of those polymers can be different depending on what the molecules are. Some are really stretchy and flexible, while others are very, very tough. This is a normal kitchen baggie filled with water. Now, you would expect that if I were to stab it with a sharp pencil, that it would leak all over everything. Let's take a look. So what we're going to find here is I take my sharp pencil and poke it through the bag. Is that you would expect it to leak all over everywhere, but it doesn't. And that's because the molecules that made up the bag, the polymers that make up this bag, have lots of room to stretch. When we put the sharp pencil into it, it actually just slides right in between the molecules and it closes those gaps up and keeps the water contained. Now, let's take a look at what happens with a balloon. Okay, now everybody knows that if I take this sharp toothpick and poke it into this balloon, that the balloon's gonna pop, right? So let's see what happens. Okay, now I stuck this toothpick into the balloon and it didn't pop. Why? Well, for two reasons. One, the balloon's not fully inflated. So all of the molecules, all of the polymers in this balloon, they're not fully stretched out. So when I put the sharp toothpick into it, there's still room for them to flex and adapt. The other thing that I did was I stuck the toothpick in the end of the balloon, which is actually thicker than other parts of the balloon. So there was more material left for it to stretch and expand and adapt to the confines or to the properties of the toothpick. If I pull this toothpick out and I poke the balloon here, it'll still pop. All right, thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to get more of this kind of information, just head to our website at sasksciencecenter.com and click on the Real Science, Real Fun Online button. And thank you for joining us here on YouTube. If you'd like to get more of this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified anytime we do more of these videos.